Wait a second. Take a look at this wall. Just a moment ago it looked plain, flat, and completely ordinary. Now it has depth, texture, and a premium modern design that instantly changes the entire space. And the most surprising part, this transformation doesn't require a full renovation, expensive tools, or professional workers. These decorative 3D wall panels are one of the easiest and most effective ways to upgrade your interior. They are designed to turn boring walls into eye-catching design features that immediately draw attention. Instead of simple paint or wallpaper, you get real texture and dimension that creates a completely different atmosphere in the room. The 3D effect is what makes these panels truly special. Light and shadows interact with the surface throughout the day, giving your walls a chimeric and high-end look. This is the kind of design detail you usually see in expensive interiors, but now it's something you can easily achieve yourself. Another huge advantage is how simple the installation process is. You don't need cement, you don't need complicated tools, and you don't need professional experience. Most panels can be installed quickly with minimal effort, making them perfect for DIY projects. You can transform a wall in just a few hours and immediately see the result. These panels are made from durable materials like PVC, which makes them lightweight but strong. They are designed to last, resist everyday wear, and maintain their appearance over time. This makes them suitable for different areas of your home, including living rooms, bedrooms, rooms, and even kitchens. One of the most practical benefits is that decorative panels can hide imperfections. If your wall has small cracks, uneven paint, or surface damage, these panels cover everything and create a smooth, stylish finish. It's a fast and effective way to improve your interior without complicated repairs. Maintenance is also very easy. The surface can be cleaned with a simple cloth, which means you don't need special products or time-consuming care. Your walls will stay fresh and clean with minimal effort. What makes these panels even more exciting is the design flexibility. You can create an accent wall behind your TV, design a modern bedroom background, upgrade your workspace, or completely change the look of your living room. The variety of patterns allows you to match different interior styles. Feel minimalist like it's bold, à la chose. In commercial spaces like cafes, salons, and offices. They create a professional and stylish environment that leaves a strong impression on visitors and customers. Another reason why people love these panels is the speed of transformation. Such a renovation can take days or even weeks. But with deluxe panels, you can achieve a completely new look in a single day. It's fast, clean, and incredibly satisfying. And let's be honest, everyone wants a home that looks modern and expensive. But not everyone wants to spend a lot of money or deal with complicated renovation work. Decorative wall panels solve this problem by offering a simple, affordable, and stylish solution. They're not just decoration. They are a smart upgrade that combines design, durability, and convenience. If you want to refresh your space and create something that really stands out, this is one of the best options available today. So take another look at this wall. because this could be your home next. One simple change can completely transform your space.